Hi everyone, this is Teal from pakablogs.com. Today I will be reviewing the Shorty mechanical pencil. It's made by Walther. Made in Germany. They even have a guarantee that says that they will replace it if it's not up to specification. So this is a rather short pencil. It's about 10 cm I think. Comes in a packaging like this. Now inside here there will be the LEDs, which I have already taken them out. So that's the pencil. It's basically a clutch pencil, so it works like that. Oh, there's a HB LED inside. So this LED is actually 3.15 millimeter. So unlike the standard 2 mm which you find in other normal pencils, this one for example is 2 mm, and the one in the water is 3.15 mm. The LEDs are replaceable, of course. They come in different color LEDs that are sold separately. All the LEDs are housed inside these small cartridges. So let's just test them out. Let's test out the yellow color. So you have to replace the LEDs one by one if you want to change color. I find that a bit of a hassle if you want to change, let's say, from yellow to red. Let's say if you want to change to red now, you have to take out the red and remove the yellow. So it's a bit inconvenient in that sense. Try some blending exercise. Let's take a look closer. These LEDs are rather a bit hard, I think. Let's try the orange one. Oh, this one is very soft. You can see the pigments crumbling. This one is really very soft. Let's blend it a bit. Oh. See, the pigment is already coming off from the tip. Let's try a blue. Let's see. This one is blue, is also quite hard. See some pretty nice blending. They draw pretty well actually. Construction wise, this is made of plastic all the way, except for the metal clutch in front. It's a very short clip here, and I don't think you can dismantle it. No, you cannot dismantle this, so you have to load the clips from the front. And let's see. Okay, on the packaging it says that you can draw with the pencil on any surface. So they say that you can use the red on the plastic and the white on X-ray. So I don't have X-ray, but I do have a plastic that I can try on. Let me just draw on my cup so that I can wash it off easily. So let's write something. Nope, doesn't work. Let's see. Says here plastic glass using the red LED. Oh, I actually have glass. Let's see. Okay. I don't have glass here. No, doesn't work now. So deceptive advertising. Oh, maybe let's try the white LED. Maybe the white LED works. Okay. Oh yeah, it actually does work. I'm not sure you can see it, but it does work. Let me use the other one. Okay. S-H-O-R-T. Short. So I think the softer ones will work. The red LED I think is a bit, yeah, this one is a bit hard. So let's try the blue. Nope, doesn't work. So where's the other one? The orange. The orange was is a very soft. So let's try again. Yep, does work. You can see some of the colors coming out. Yeah, so it does work for. It's only for the LEDs that are soft. For the hard LEDs, you won't be able to do it. So let me put all these colors back. So if you want to use multiple colors, if you want to change colors all the time, it's going to be a bit a hassle. It's a bit of a hassle to change colors. So if you want to complete a drawing with several colors, then I would say just use normal color pencils. So what this pencil is good for, I think it's basically just if you want to use a single color for writing, or for I think just writing, or even you want to draw some simple stuff, then it's worth it to get it. But I think this pencil is also a bit expensive. It's like $20 I think. So let me go online and check right now actually. Let me see how much it is on Amazon.com. Okay, it's about $13 US. So $13 US versus, I say, a normal color pencil. You can get a box of color pencils at $13 also. And I think the color pencils will work better. Where's the blue cartridge? Okay, here. That's it. And replace the pencil back. So let me just draw something. Oops. Yep. So you come to do this. Draw. I think it's quite comfortable holding the pencil, even though it's a bit short. It does support the. It does grip on the hand quite well because of the hexagonal shape. Yeah. That's me. So that's it. That's the Shorty pencil. pencil. Okay, thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe to my channel for new product reviews as well as video on sketching. You can also support me on my website at parkablogs.com. That is PARKABLOGS.com. Thank you for watching.